Hi guys, Barry here, A&B Hot Rods. Big shout out to Jackie from Circle D Homestead. I posted in one of my other videos that I was talking about Henry and the frame that I built for it. I had ordered plans online, which covered the stock frame for the Model A's, and it also covered modifications that you could do. When you're hot rodding. So he was the only one that got back to me on as far as wanting the plans. And I had told him, he contacted me, I told him I would ship those out today. Unfortunately, I had to work last night, and when I laid down today to take a nap, that nap wound up being so long the post office was closed. So Jackie, I apologize. I will get those in the mail first thing in the morning. But today what we're doing is I'm working on Henry. I went ahead and ordered some bear claw door latches online. And I got one installed in my driver's door, and then realized that the framework, and I'll show you here in a minute, was not quite big enough for the striker. So we'll turn the camera around here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So what I got, I had no door latches on this whatsoever, but so I ordered what they call bear claw door latches. Here's the one that I've got tacked in place, and this is the driver's door. So I had to cut a little bit of metal out and then fit this in. I had to cut this down. These are universal, so you have to modify them when you put them in, and it's just part of it. It's part of the game. So if I close the driver's door and see if I can get this down in here so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, see how this overhangs my actual framework that I had built. So I'm going to have to add a piece. This is 1x2 tubing. So I'm going to have to add a piece to that and then mount my striker plate to that. And then this will be able to latch. So I'm going to go ahead and build this piece, mount my striker plate, and then I will have another video of the finished latch and hopefully how it works. So I haven't done anything on the passenger side door yet. I wanted to work everything out over here. This side, when I built my framework, I made sure, and this is my framework here. When I built my framework, I wanted to make sure that this side was identical to that side over there, and it is, because I laid that framework up against this one after I worked it out. So I used this one basically as a pattern. So that way everything's symmetrical. The striker plate is somewhere. I don't know. I've lost it. Hold on. Here it is. Right here. So what I'm talking about, the striker plate's actually going to have to be mounted like right in here. And you can see there's no support back here in the back. So I'm just going to add another section of this right here. And then we'll cap that off and make it look good. And then we'll be able to latch our doors so we don't fall out. As soon as I get that done, I'll make the video of it. I don't think you want to watch me cut square stock and tack it into the truck. That's pretty boring. I wouldn't want to watch it. So anyways, I'll get that done and I'll do a follow-up video of how it all operates and everything. There's Lucille just hanging out. She's kind of enjoying it, really. I'm just kind of leaving her alone today. I'm not cutting and hacking on it. Again, on the, on the frame plans, you know, when I posted that and I asked, you know, if anybody's got any interest in that, let me know. Jackie got a hold of me. And the thing about it is, guys, you know, we got to share this stuff. And I would rather, you know, ship this off to somebody, because I'm not going to use those plans again. I would rather ship that off to him because he can use it. You know, I'm done with it. I don't need it no more. So, you know, I'm not trying to make a buck. I didn't charge him anything for it. So, you know, we got to help each other out. There's only so many of us hot rodders out there. So keep that in mind. You know, when somebody's got something or you've got something that you're not using, just laying around, you know, help a guy out. I sent a set of hinges to a guy that needed a set for a 30 Ford Coupe, I think, and I had a set just laying out there rusting. So, you know, I sent those down to him, and he thought it was great. Couldn't believe that I did that. So, you know, I love helping guys out. Hot rodders, guys, help each other out. Have a good day. I'll talk at you later.